Sammy, check out this dress. It's so beautiful.
Sue?
And it twirls so nicely.
Sue, this color was hot last season.
Huh.
Also, this cut is out of fashion.
Actually, I'm the one studying fashion design, and I do like this color. As for the cut, it suits me perfectly.
Sue, you lack a fresh perspective.
Oh, really?
I'm the first-line fashion designer in history. My ideas will be a breakthrough for the fashion industry.
Sammy, then maybe you could help me make a trendy dress?
Sue will make a super trendy dress for ya.
Hooray! Hey guys! Sam didn't like my dress.
It was out of fashion.
So now we'll think of a cool and stylish dress design for me.
Let's have Barbie as our model.
Oh, that's a great idea. And we'll use a sock to make our dress.
Sue, we've already made a dress like that.
A balloon then?
We did that too.
Well, then let's take a piece of fabric.
Sue, we need something new and unusual. It's hot couture.
Well, what are you suggesting?
Let's be super creative and make a dress with the help of food wrap.
Wow, that is unexpected.
It's my job to surprise.
Well then, we'll be making a dress with the help of food wrap. Here we go. We'll wrap it around our Barbie doll.
Sue, one-piece dresses are outdated. Unusual shapes are trending now. Say two-piece sets.
Then this will be the top.
Sue, you learn so fast.
Why don't we make a pink outfit?
Oh, Sue, green looks so good on you.
Right. We'll make a green top, and then the skirt will be gold. By the way, guys, write in the comments what your favorite color is.
Sue, I almost forgot. We need glitter.
Don't you worry. I have thought it all through. See? Green and glitter. It's all here.
Well done, Sue. I give you an A in design.
Sam, I do have an A in design.
Yeah. I know you're an excellent student.
It's just that you should enjoy what you do. Then everyone will be excellent students.
I, for one, always enjoy everything I do.
And here's our little top. It's textured. I'm about to make a small cut here.
Oh no, Sue, what are you doing?
Sammy, clothes should be removable, you know. Or do you want Barbie to wear this outfit till the end of time?
You can easily wear such a gorgeous outfit till the end of time.
We need to cut all the excess to make sure our outfit is neat and pretty.
A designer's job requires neatness and precision, so be careful when you cut, Sue.
As you say, Mr. Designer Slime. Are you sure this top will suit me?
Absolutely.
The top part is ready. Let's move on to the bottom part now.
Wow, Sue, you became so big!
I didn't become any bigger. The glass magnified me.
It's some sort of magic. By the way, Sue, the shape of this glass will be perfect for the skirt.
Oh, that's a great idea. This is the shape of the bottom part of Barbie's outfit.
Sue, this skirt will look super stylish on you.
Sam, did you know that this skirt shape is called a bell?
It does look like one. Speaking about bells, hit the bell button not to miss our new videos. Sue, this skirt should match the top.
Yep, that's why it'll be gold.
Barbie, you are so lucky. You'll have an outfit by the best slime designer, Sam.
It's such a beautiful color. Sam, now I like all glittery things too.
I love glitter. Its shine is so mesmerizing.
The glue is all set. Now let's make a cut to take our skirt off.
This outfit looks like the dress we made for our Barbie out of a balloon.
Yeah, Sammy, they are similar in cut and color. But this skirt here is wider, and the top is separated from the bottom. Now let's cut everything extra off.
Guys, have you tried making a dress for your doll using a balloon? Write in the comments.
Well, let's try our finished skirt on. I think this skirt suits our Barbie too.
Sue, there's an important rule. Details make the look.
Then let's throw in some details and decorate our skirt with this pretty chain. There.
Sue, in my designer opinion, Barbie's lacking accessories.
You're right. They'll help round out the look.
Hooray, more glitter!
We're going to make a necklace for our Barbie. First, we need to place the wrap around her neck.
Sue, I found a treasure.
Sammy, those are rhinestones for the necklace, and we'll need them very soon.
Ugh, I've already imagined buying a million jars of Nutella.
I'd like to find a treasure too, but it seems to me it only exists in books and pirate movies.
Well, I'll find a real treasure and you'll see that it does exist.
I'll be more than happy. You'd share Nutella with me, wouldn't you?
Sure, I'd give you 2 whole jars. Anything for my brains.
Sammy, you're so generous. Now we'll need the rhinestones you found.
Guys, give a thumbs up if finding a treasure is your dream too. Here you go, Sue.
Right on time. We'll have the biggest stone in the middle, and then the rest of the stones on the side. One more.
Sue, you are a real jeweler.
Yes, indeed. Check out the amazing necklace we made.
Sue, check out my designer bracelet.
Super cool, simple and tasteful.
Well, I'm a pro.
Every lady needs a couple of pretty earrings. We'll carefully put one earring on. There we go. Now the second one. And done.
Sue, we forgot something.
We've got the top, the skirt, even the jewelry. What could we possibly forget?
The shoes. Our Barbie's left without shoes.
Right, how could we forget? Only let's make sandals for her, not shoes. We'll make the sandals the way we made the rest of the outfit. We'll place the wrap around the doll's foot.
Sue, why don't we make sneakers for our Barbie?
Sammy, it's not like our doll's wearing a tracksuit. Sneakers won't match her outfit.
Sue, the color's kinda pale. You have to do something.
We'll cover the sandals with glittery green nail polish. There. Here too. Great. Now the sandals for our Barbie are as glittery as her outfit. We need to make a cut, but without cutting the sole. All we have to do now is remove the excess wrap.
Where's the fashion industry going? Where's glitter? Why so little glitter?
Sammy, take a look at the beautiful sandal we made. We'll add a rhinestone here, just the way you like it. Time to make the second sandal.
Slime designer Sam is taking care of that.
Love you, Sammy.
Barbie, you're so beautiful. Your outfit's so glittery.
Give a thumbs up if you also like Barbie's new outfit.
And try making the same kind of outfit for your doll.
Sam, we made the outfit for Barbie.
Oh yeah, it's gorgeous.
Now it's time to make an outfit for me.
Sue, I took a closer look at your dress and, it's fashionable enough.
Sammy, I want the same kind of outfit Barbie has.
Oh, Sue, I think the kettle is boiling.
No way, Sammy, you're not getting away that easily.
Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.